Hi Havel families, this is Mrs. Reynolds. We have some exciting stuff going on in our house this week that I wanted to share with you. So something that's going on is I bought some caterpillars for my children, Abby, Owen, and Connor, so they can watch them turn into butterflies. So just yesterday, our caterpillars decided to make the change and they are now chrysalises. So I wanted to show them to you. And I'm gonna do this a little slowly, so hopefully you don't get too sick watching as I move my camera so you can see them. There you can see them, they kind of look gross, but you can see them hanging upside down on the cap. And what we're gonna do next is we have to carefully take them from that cap and put them in the net. So when they are ready to come out, then they will be butterflies. So I thought I would share an informational magazine with you. This is one that my kids get. It's called Zoodles, and it's perfect because this one is all about butterflies. I'm sure many of you heard and read about butterflies in school, but I thought just something different for me to read to you rather than a fiction story that I've been reading. So here we have our title, A Butterfly is Born. And I see that we have a vocabulary word right here because it's in bold. And our word is metamorphosis. So let's find out what that word means. A baby butterfly goes through a lot of different stages before it's fully grown. This incredible change from tiny egg to a fluttering butterfly is called metamorphosis. So that is when it changes from an egg to a butterfly. It goes through the stages. So here we have our picture with a caption that these are going to be snowtail butterflies, and this is a snowtail egg. And for egg, it says a butterfly lays 200 to 500 eggs on a plant. Some butterflies lay eggs under leaves. Others lay them on top. Different butterflies lay eggs in different shapes. And here we have this little otter. He has a little fun fact, something he's saying. He says, boy, if I were a butterfly, I'd have hundreds of brothers and sisters. And so then we have our next stage is the caterpillar. About 5 days later, tiny caterpillars hatch. Different butterflies have different kinds of caterpillars, but every caterpillar is an eating machine. First, it eats the eggshell, then it chomps on the plants. It gets bigger, but its skin doesn't grow with it. So the caterpillar sheds its skin and grows a roomier one several times over the next few weeks. So that's what we just had. And then Abby woke up yesterday and was all excited because our caterpillars had turned into the chrysalis. And ours are brown and this one's green because they're going to be a different type of butterfly. So chrysalis. Finally, the caterpillar stops eating. Now it latches onto a plant. Its new skin hardens to form a tough covering called a chrysalis that keeps that caterpillar safe during the change to come. Inside, wings and antennae form. The caterpillar is turning into a butterfly. In about 14 days, a butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis. It waits for its wet wings to dry and harden, and then finally it can fly. So we're hoping that in about 2 weeks, our little chrysalises here will be turned into butterflies. And I'll have to keep you updated and show you some pictures as we see them hatching from their chrysalis into a beautiful butterfly. But in the meantime, stay safe, keep washing your hands, and remember that we miss you. I miss you a lot. I really miss your hugs and your smiles and seeing your little faces every day. So see you soon. Take care.